Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Cheche Okoye, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay guys, so like you guys have seen from the title and the thumbnail, okay, I got a new light, and this is different from the regular ring light. Okay, I have a very small, I'm looking at it right now, it's so small, it's this small. I have a very small ring light that I got from Amazon, but it just, there's so much you can do. Okay, there's so much you can do. If I film during the evening, I don't even film during the evening because it's so small, so I have to actually film with natural light and then improve the lighting with the tiny ring light. It's really small, and I felt like I needed to change. I wanted to get like a bigger ring light, but then I came across this advert on Instagram, Glamcor. Let me show you guys the box. It's massive box. Okay, extremely massive and heavy. So I ordered it on the 1st of March. It got to me on the 5th of March, all the way from China to Australia. That's like the fastest delivery I've ever seen in my life. But yeah, here we are. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what the light, what is wrong with me? I need to have breakfast and show you guys what the light looks like. Okay guys, so this is what the box looks like in full. Okay, it has my address here, so I can't really show you guys, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So this is what it looks like when you open it up from the inside, and it has like these two white boxes, and then this is a bag. So I'm going to bring out the first one. Okay, so this is the name of the brand, Glamcor, and it says what is in this packet is the mirrorless accessory. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys, it's called the Media Kit X Content Creator package, I guess, because they have different light. They have the Elite X and they have this one. Ooh, and this is the mirror. Oh my god, this is amazing. So guys, this is the mirror. Oh my god, this is so nice. So whoa, mind blowing. This is the mirror. Oh, my phone. So this is the mirror, and it has their brand name here as well, Glamcor. Oh my god, I can't believe I have a mirror I can film with. But I mean, it depends, because when I'm filming, I like to put my phone instead of the mirror. But I mean, it's so nice that I can get a different tripod for my phone, then I can have a mirror, an actual mirror. This is amazing. I like the fact that it's all sealed. Their packaging is so amazing. So you can take off this when you want to use it, and then you put this at the back of the hold for on top of the tripod. Yeah, and then inside the second box we have this, and here it says Tablet X clip. Okay, this is what is inside this, and this is just for your tablet. So let's say you are filming with your iPad, and this is it, and it's adjustable. So you see, you can always open it up and put your tablet. Okay guys, so now the most important part is this, and yeah, let's go ahead and bring this out. So this is the bag. I love the fact that it comes with a bag, because then it means that it's portable. If you're traveling and you need to take your life with you, you can always put everything inside the bag, which is like super amazing. Like, I mean, I know other ring lights from Amazon have a bag, so why not? I mean, you can't pay all this money and not get a carry bag. Okay, so like I said, the name of this one is the Multimedia X Content Creation Kit. They also have like the Elite X. There are ones that come with just the phone holder, but if you want to get the one for content creation, you have to get this one, because then you can be able to have like your camera holder, your mirror like I showed you guys, your tablet, whatever you want to film with, you have the accessories here. So this is specifically for content creators, because it has everything you need. So you guys can see inside the bag already, there's so many things going on inside this bag. So let's start from the first one. This is the first one, and this is their phone clip. Okay, so yeah, we've seen the tablet clip, we've seen the mirror, now we are seeing the phone clip. And yeah, let's just open up the phone clip. Okay, it's out. So this is a phone clip, okay, also adjustable, so you put your phone, you can adjust it to wherever your phone is. It's quite long, yeah, and of course where you put it on the tripod. So yeah, we have a phone clip, and then there's something else here. Ooh, this is a camera clip. This is a camera clip. Okay, how does this work? You screw it down, you put your camera, and then you screw it up to like tighten it, and then your camera stays. Okay, so this is where you put it. Okay, so also inside the bag it comes with a charger. Okay, on the website it says wherever you order from, the charger is going to have your company's charger head. So this is Australian. This is how Australia sockets are. Okay, so this is like really convenient, because then I don't have to get an extra adapter to be able to like charge it or like use it. Not charging, sorry, what am I saying? You plug it in so you can on the light. Yeah, and just gonna bring out the small stuff first. And this bag is really amazing. Okay, so now, wow, there's so many things here. So now there is this is their phone clip bar. Wow. Okay, so let's figure out what this is. Okay, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, this is your content creation kit. So you have the ability to put your two phones, so you can put this on the tripod and you have the opportunity to put two phones. So let's say you're creating for Instagram, you're creating for YouTube, and you know the whole thing, so you have the ability to put your two phones, which is amazing. And then what is this? It says spin to accessorize your light. Oh guys, this see, spin to accessorize your light. So if you don't know how to use all those things, they have it here for you. So this is how you use your phone clip. So I use your phone clip, and then we spin this. This is how you use your mirror, and then we spin this. This is how you use your camera, and then we spin the last one. This is how you use your tablet. Amazing. And what other small item is here? Okay, inside here, oh, it comes with a remote, and this remote is controlled by Bluetooth. So if you just put your camera, the cameras that have Bluetooth, or your phone or your tablet, whatever, just connect it to this Bluetooth, and then you can snap yourself or video yourself. And also you can be able to control the lights, up, brightness, low brightness, and control the tone of the light. Okay, so it has warm, it has neutral, it has cool. So yeah, let's just get into the main. And this is the first thing here, which is the light. Oh, I was stressing myself. You just have to like bring out this and then bring out the light. Ooh, so this is the light. And then guys, this light is like super adjustable. If I can set this right, you can always do whatever you want to do with your light. Can you stop shaking? You can always do whatever you want to do with your light, because it's super. So we are going to like set this up in a minute, so I'll show you guys what I mean. But yeah, this is the light, and of course it is covered and protected. So yeah, this is the light. I'm so, guys, let us set it up first. So the last thing in the bag is the tripod. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and set it up. So like the current tripod I'm using is a table tripod, but this one is going to be like so long, you can keep it on the floor and still be like really long. So here it says lift me, in case you have no idea what you're supposed to do. So this is me lifting it the first time, and I'm going to like tilt my phone so you guys can see everything I'm doing, but that means you guys don't see my face. Yeah, the disadvantage of that. Okay guys, so the first one is you open up this one so you can bring out this. Okay, so this is it, however you want it to be, and I feel like this is okay. And then you tighten it back, and then you tighten it back so it will be sturdy. Okay, and then let's bring out the first one, or the only one. Okay guys, so this is it. I've already opened this up, and sadly this is how much it can go. I was honestly thinking it was going to be like longer than this. You get, like, I was hoping to like really be longer than this, but it's still not bad. It's still not bad. So this is the light. This is everything. This is where you put it here, and this is, it comes with like a USB port, so you can be charging your phone as well as you can charge your phone when you're filming, so your phone won't die because it's going to be plugged, because this is going to be plugged in, and then you're charging your phone. So 2-in-1, amazing. And then it has the port for the charger, and it has this port where you fix it on the tripod. So yeah, and this is the on switch, and it's a touch on screen. It's not like a button, it's a sensor switch. I was complaining it's not long, but with the lights and where the phone is supposed to be, this is like pretty long. Okay, for here with the clip for the phones and all the holders, it goes all the way up and down, so it depends on how you want to. You can, when you're filming, it's always like this. You can always adjust your camera depending on however you want it to be like. And this is the clip, so once you put it in the way you want it to be, you just go ahead and tighten it, and boom, it's now like really tight. It's no longer moving. This is amazing. And like I told you guys, the light is bendable. I was complaining this is not long enough, but now I'm standing beside it. It's actually like almost my height, and I'm 5'8", and it's my height. Country that you are in, just when you log into the website and it says order from outside US and order in US, just click outside US, and then it shows you the price in your currency. Then it knows that, oh, you're ordering from UK, so I'm going to send you a UK socket. That is amazing. Okay, guys, so it's all plugged in now. I'm going to switch. Let me show you guys what I mean by sensor. So okay, come down here. This is like the on and off button, and this is the on and off button, but it's not a button, it's like a fingerprint touch thing. See, so you just let me show you guys. So you just touch it, it comes on, touch it, it goes off. Amazing. You can also control the light with the remote. This is the remote. So on, off, on, reduce, it reduces, then increase. This is so bright. This is like the highest. Do you guys see how this room lit up? Okay, so let me reduce this. I'll show you guys what I mean. Reduce. We are back to being dark. Sad. Increase. So yeah, this is a phone clip that I showed you guys when I was unboxing it. So all you have to do is just put it, and voila, your phone is here. Okay guys, so this is me without the light, and I was going to complain initially that it wasn't long enough. Guys, I struggled to make it this height because it's just way too long. Okay, I spoke too fast. It is way too tall, long. I don't know, but yeah, I managed to like compress it. I'm going to show you guys what I did because I didn't know like that the phone, the handle for phone and camera is actually like really adjustable, so you can actually do it regular the way you want. I don't know what that means, but yeah, you can always do it the way you want. And also by the side of the adapter, or the Glamcor adapter, yeah, you have also the brightness button. They also touch screen. So yeah, but this is what it looks like without the light. This is warm, this is neutral, this is cool. So you can always increase the light. I think this is too bright. Yeah. And then this is neutral. You can always increase your neutral. This is warm. You can always increase your warm. Okay, I might say that because there are days that the weather is so terrible and you can't really film with natural lighting because of my ring light. Let me show you guys the ring light I usually use. This is my ring light. It's so tiny. It's like really small. So when the weather is crazy or there is like really sunny and I want to just close my blind and use the light instead, because with the too much sun I see myself like having to like adjust my lighting when I'm editing, because then the sun comes out and I'm like overexposed, and then the sun goes down, I'm like underexposed. There's just nothing right. It takes me so much time to like edit those videos because I have to like really work on them. But with this one, when the sun is too much, I can always close my blind and use the light and increase it to however I want, blinding or like a normal person. And depending on my mood or the mood of the video, I can always switch to warm, neutral, cool. And yeah, also I played it with my Bluetooth. I already connected my Bluetooth to it, so all you have to do is to just click on the Bluetooth symbol, like press and hold, and then go to your phone Bluetooth or your camera Bluetooth or whatever you're filming with, and then it's going to come out as Glamcor, and then you connect it. Okay, it pairs. Nice, easy, fast. I'm going to leave the link to their website in the description box. And in Australia, in USD, I think it's about $300 and something, right? Yeah, but in Australia it's about 400 plus. It's actually like pretty expensive, but I don't know, is anybody like me? Like, I can close my eyes and buy camera stuffs or like lighting for my YouTube, like anything that is like I'm going to use for my YouTube. I see it like as an investment, so I can actually like close my eyes and buy something for my YouTube channel. But I cannot order a box of pizza without feeling bad, like why am I spending so much money? I mean, it's $20. Why am I spending so much money on pizza? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have more questions, leave it in the description box. Leave it in the comment section and I'll reply you. And yeah, thank you for staying with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right.